Because this Columbia Forest Reserve actually runs all Silver Creek, San Miguel, Columbia, Coquejute, San Jose, Nalumca, San Vicente, all of these communities are still around the reserve, you know. And not only here in Columbia burning, but all the other places burning. So everything just come into the reserve after they finish whatever is within the village limits. It starts to enter the reserve, but nothing is being done about it at the moment. I would say for myself, I'm also a female farmer for a cacao farm. I also work with a non-governmental organization, and for work, I would say some of the work that went is 25, 30 years work that went in, because just to do a nursery, it's 3 months. For seedling from plant to seedling, that's 3 years. And then some of our cacao farms that went down are old farms. So, you know, it's a lot of work that went down the drain for us. It's just not like something that you would say, I plant today and with 3 months time you're already harvesting. No. And whenever we're doing cacao farm, we also need to keep it clean. We also, within the cacao farm, we also had canopy. We had like emery, hardwood, some wood. We also have cassava, planting bananas, you know, temporary, long-term shade trees. All of these went down the drain. So people will look at it and say it's just cacao, but we have so much more because we do intercropping, agroforestry within these farms, and all of this have went down the drain from us. What we need the most right now, I would say, is help in us to rebuild back or to replant back our farms, because then we just don't want to do like seasonal crops. We want to make sure we have the long-term trees. Like we have what canopy. We need help, I would say, in purchasing shade cloth, doing nursery, getting these things ready so that by the time the rain fall in October, we have that time gap of 3 months where we can plant back our farms. We'll be able to have help us with seeds if you can, you know, whatever you can, fruit trees, whatever you could. If you could help us, we would do the work that we'd require. We are willing, you know, and to do that work. We don't need anyone to help us, pay us for that, because at the end of the day, it's our livelihood we're speaking about, and we're the one that depend on these farms to get back and to feed our family, especially us, you know, the people of Toledo. We depend holistically on our farms for us to be able to keep our family having a plate of food on the table. You know, that's it basically for us. Well, the last thing you can lose is hope, and if we lose hope, we lose it all. Once you lose hope, there's no future for tomorrow. You know, that's the last thing we want to lose. And you know, we look at our children and we know that we have to get up back and fight for them, because if we don't do it for them, who else will do it for them? You know, they are our hope, and that's what we need to keep alive.